Okay, hello, welcome to another video on another bike here, and this one is a Tomos 50 two-stroke little motorcycle. Nice and straight bike, very true to itself. Little two-stroke engines, they're pretty well known. They have a bit of a cult following for them on the Tomos. It's a 1991 model in white, as you can see, but not too much to talk about. It's still rear rack on it, running very nicely, stopping, starting, going, and registered. So we'll now move to the inspection. Okay, let's have a look at the condition of this Tomos 50. Front tyre then, perfect. Front mudguard, you got a little bit of things. Again, like I said, it's very true to itself. It's not an absolute minter. I'm not going to point out everything. You'll probably see it as you go through on the camera here, so you can have a look at yourself. Indicators, front headlamp, the actual gauge itself, odometer I should say. Fuel tank, you have to put your own two-stroke in. The engine area, all that kind of stuff. You see like marks throughout the bike. I believe it to be original paint though, even the wheels. And the chrome exhaust, actually nice condition. And the rear rack there, you can actually get pillion stuff on, as well as a little thing at the back. 1991 plate, rear brake light and indicators. Left hand side of the bike, all very nice, very true to itself, as I said from the start. I'm not trying to be anything else. Tomos 50, there we are. Moving up and around, and that's what we have to finish on with our little Tomos 50. Yeah. Okay, where we go on the Tomos. It's got 2 gears, it's 2-stroke, and it is what it is. There we go, kicks into the 2nd gear, indicators are working. Is it going to kick into 1st gear for me? There we go. Turn that off. I think if I try force it in. Oh, there we go. Up to 23 kilometers an hour there. I think it's a bit of more of an accurate assessment of the speed that we're doing. 30 kilometers an hour. In and out. This is all this thing's for. Is it just a bit of crack? Getting round, doing a job. There we go. This thing needs to be ridden as well. Hasn't done much mileage since for a long time, I'd say. Going uphill now as well. So we can see that dial there telling us their speed. Going uphill. It probably needed to be in 1st gear there to get it up there, but I'm not sure if I can force it into gear or tell it what gear to do. Okay, and around we go. Oh, and bang, it's like a fright nearly going into 2nd gear. It's craziness. Let's give it some, oh, great. Nearly had someone have a heart attack there. But that's going to be it really for this Tomos. If you have enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated. Tomos 50, and you do want to reach out to us on our official website and socials. They are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com.